channel. So today we do finally got the Cessna done. I'm sorry I have been going a little bit lazy on my videos, but here we go back at it again. And as y'all can see, it turned out beautiful. It turned out gorgeous. And basically the owner's here and he's ready to take it home. He's very happy. He's satisfied with the colors and everything, how it turned out. I just wanted to show y'all, look how glossy it is. It turned out amazing. There y'all see the interior as well. He did get the interior redone on this Cessna 150. And look at that black, it just shines, it's glossy. Y'all don't see no orange peel, no whatsoever. It just turned out amazing, guys. Let me go ahead and show you the front Callan on the blue. Look at the reflection on the sky. Y'all can see the clouds, how beautiful it is. Look at that. We also put sealer on the front windows and the back windows, if y'all noticed. So yeah, we did seal that as well. Turned out beautiful. I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, well he finally got in the plane. He turned it on after, it's been a while since we've been having it in the shop. It turned on just fine. And he's excited. He's actually excited to go home with his new paint job. And I'm glad he loved it. And it's very glossy. I really did enjoy doing this aircraft. And here we go. As y'all could hear, the Cessna, it sounds very nice. Let me just go ahead and show you a quick walk around again before it leaves. He's just testing the rudder, the elevators, and all that good stuff of a pilot. If y'all know, but also, I wanted to say a shout out to all the new subscribers. I have been noticing all the new subscribers, so shout out to y'all. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned for the channel and for more to come as well. I'm sorry for my background noise. I know y'all hear a lot of wind, but obviously y'all are gonna hear a lot of wind because of the Cessna. But look at that, guys. It turned out amazing. And right now at the moment we do not have a website in case y'all are wanting y'all's aircraft detailed or whatsoever. We don't have no contact information at the moment. We are working on that, so just be patient with us, guys, and just subscribe and stay tuned for more videos till the future is yet to come. And here we go.